Hi, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. Today, we're going to show Kick versus Twitch streaming. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now, let's get right into it. Today, we're going to compare two popular live streaming platforms, Kick streaming and Twitch streaming. Live streaming has become a significant part of a digital landscape, providing opportunities for content creators to engage with audience in real time. Kick streaming is a popular streaming platform that offers a range of features including live video broadcasting, video interaction, and multimedia sharing. It has gained reputation for its user-friendly interface and focus on privacy and anonymity. Kick streaming is known for its message feature and selective audience option, allowing you to control who can view your live stream. On the other hand, Twitch streaming has emerged as one of the leading platforms for live content, particularly in the gaming community. With a dedicated focus on gaming, Twitch offers a robust set of features tailored specifically for gamers and streamers. It boasts a large and active community, providing immense exposure and potential viewership for your live stream. Both platforms have their own strength and unique characteristics. Kick streaming offers simplicity, privacy, and flexibility, while Twitch streaming excels in dedicated gaming community, advanced features, and discoverability. In this tutorial, we will delve into the different features, benefits, limitations of Kick streaming and Twitch streaming. So, let's begin. Now, the first thing we're going to do first is we're going to explore the UI of both Kick and Twitch over here. We're going to compare how interacting with the different feature feel and how it is for us to navigate through our UI over here. Now over here right now on Kick, as you can see, it is currently in beta, so we would expect bugs or even problems as we explore right now. As you can see here on the first part, we have our feature stream. There are different stream that we have over here, unlike Twitch where it's all focused in gaming. As you can see, every live stream that we are seeing right now are all focused on gaming. Over here on Kick, we would have different live stream that are not even gaming. As you can see here, we have this live stream over here, which is outside, like this person over here also. Although a lot of this streaming also has gaming streams, as you can see here, there are few people streaming for games. As you can see, scrolling down, you would be able to see the live categories over here. You could see just chatting as their number one category over here, slot and casino, Fortnite, Call of Duty, pool and hot tub and bikinis, travel and outdoors, and Grand Theft Auto RP over here. There are also live groups over here like games, IRL, music, gambling, creative, and alternatives over here. Now over here, like as we scroll down, we will be able to see recommendation of channels for different types of category, and over here on the bottom we have reached our footer. Now we could also create a channel for Kick for us to start our own live stream. We could check out our channel over here. In this section, this is our profile. As you can see, don't have an about page yet. We don't know much about ourselves, so we could edit panels in this section and add information about us. As you can see, also you will be able to see your status over here, which is offline, and then your video over here. You could add a video for your offline clip over here. You could also check out your videos, your clips, and your chats in this section. As you can see here, we have your chat section over here. You can also start live streaming on your own. You can click on Creator Dashboard. As you can see, this is their live streaming dashboard. As you can see, we have our session, viewers, followers, time live, sub count over here, mod actions, quick actions, edit stream info, slow mode, chats, activity feed, and all of these other options over here. You can also check out your achievement over here. As you can see, there are achievements for you to achieve for as a creator. There's also community settings over here like moderators, badges, and emote. And you can also check out your settings over here. Now this time we're going to check out how the UI of Twitch works. As you can see here, at the start we will be able to see a lot of different live streams that are currently going on. As you can see here, you can easily move through this different live stream like a slideshow or like a gallery. There's also live channels over here that it would suggest us live channels that we could watch. They're full of Valorant, Dota 2, and all of those other games. You could also have games, IRL, music, esport, and creatives in this Twitch channel as well. It will also suggest you different streamers, different communities, different games that are currently being live. And you would be able to choose from all of these different options to watch depending on your preferences. You could also click on browse over here, which would allow you to browse through the different games or categories so that you would be able to see who are streaming your favorite games or favorite topics, as you can see here. You could check out, for example, we would like to check out Stark Rail over here. We could click this, and you will be able to see all the different people live streaming about this specific game over here. You could also have a following over here. You could check out people you are following on the overview, live, videos, categories, and channels over here. Now we could check out our channel as well. We could click on channel and we will see how our channel is. This is our profile page, similar to Kick, what we saw earlier. We have our offline section over here, our offline video, our home, about, schedule, videos, and chat over here. We can also check out our dashboard over here by clicking on creator dashboard, and we will see our dashboard for when we are live streaming. As you can see here, there is a lot of things that we could set up. We could download Twitch Studio over here, which would allow us to even set up our live streaming even more. As you can see here on their preview, there's also more information about here that you could set up. Right off the bat, there is a lot of things that you could do and customize with your Twitch live streaming, unlike over here where you could do it straight away. There is a lot more complicated stuff over here. Over here on the left side, as you can see, we could extend this on our creator dashboard. We check out our stream manager. As you can see, this is our stream manager over here. We have our filter, our chat, our session, viewers, followers, our bitrate over here. We will also have quick actions over here like raid channel, manage goals, and add start guest over here. You can also check out your analytics, communities, content, and settings, and viewer rewards over here, depending on what you would like to see on your Twitch. Now, what are the pros and cons on these two platforms? The pros for Kick is that it has a user-friendly interface. It has simple and intuitive interface, making it easy to navigate and use. It has privacy and anonymity. It will allow you to create an account without providing your phone number, offering a level of anonymity for those who prefer not to share their personal information. They also have a very good messaging feature so that you will be able to have group chats, multimedia sharing, and built-in web browsing. They also have selective audience, which would allow you to limit or have a filter for those who will be able to watch your videos. Cons are there are limited streaming features compared to dedicated streaming platforms like Twitch. Their capabilities are very basic and unlock some of the most advanced features available in Twitch. It is also a smaller streaming community, so only a few people are watching in our Kick streaming over here. As you can see, there's only 10,000 or 11,000 viewers on some of the videos, and not a lot of videos are reaching 1,000 videos, unlike over here on Twitch, where hundreds and thousands of people are watching every day. Now, another cons of Kick is that their audience reach is very small. It does not have the same level of visibility and exposure as other dedicated streaming platforms. It also has limited monetization options. Now, for Twitch, the pros and cons are, for the pros, it is a dedicated streaming platform. Twitch is a dedicated live streaming platform specially designed for gamers and live content creators, providing a robust and feature-rich streaming experience. There's also a large and active community, and Twitch boasts about its massive user base. So there will be a lot of chance for people to view your streaming if you do try to go and stream. There's also advanced features like what we saw earlier when setting up our stream. There are more options compared to Kick, and there is discoverability and exposure. The cons are it is a gaming-focused audience, and non-gaming streams are not really suitable for Twitch, and not a lot of people will try to watch your streams if you stream non-gaming content over here. There's also higher competition. Lots of people are streaming in this platform, so you will have a lot of competition for your content. There's also a complex interface, which would make it a bit confusing for people who has no idea on how to manage or how to navigate through Twitch. It will take them a while to learn how or where you will need to go to access a certain item or do a certain thing. There's also limited non-gaming content. Like I said earlier, Twitch is very inclined into gaming content, so you will not be able to find much non-gaming content in Twitch. And that's it, guys. Those are the difference between Kick and Twitch platform. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.